Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Now, in last class we discussed three kinds of sentences. Now, in remaining sentences we discuss here subject is English, food, kinds of sentence. See, clear? Now, our fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Sentences in which strong feeling admiration, pity, sorrow, happiness, surprise, or any other emotions expressed are called exclamatory sentences. Now, clear? Sentences in which strong feeling, remember these words, okay? If these words come in any type of sentences, it means these are called exclamatory sentences. Sentences in which strong feeling, admiration, pity, sorrow, happiness, surprise, or any other emotions expressed are called exclamatory sentences. Means these type of words, these type of statements, these type of feeling, happiness, sorrow, pity, if these all come in a sentence, it means that is called exclamatory sentences. Clear? So, any problem? I think with this definition you all identify exclamatory sentences easily. Clear? Now, write down the example. What a fine day it is. What a fine day it is. It exclamatory, it always, write down one thing, it always ends with exclamatory mark. And that mark is this. Okay, this, with this always ends. So, what a fine day it is. Oh, what a beautiful in this, oh, we won the prize. Clear? Both here also we mention mark and here also. What a beautiful dress it is. So these all are exclamatory sentences. These are exclamatory sentences in which strong feeling, sorrow, happiness, admiration, surprise, all things shown. Clear? So if these words come in any type of sentences, so you all easily identify that these are called exclamatory sentences. Now next is our last one is our optative sentences. Fifth one is optative sentences. Now, sorry, remember one thing, in exclamatory sentences, I forget to write exclamatory sentences and exclamatory sentences. This you write in exclamatory sentences only. In exclamatory sentences cannot be negative. This is very important point. Okay, ये कभी भी negative नहीं होता. Okay. Exclamatory sentences cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. Okay. So you all write down this also, and it always an exclamatory sentence always end with exclamatory mark. That I told you before also, but you write separately in your notebook. Exclamatory mark. This is our exclamatory mark. Clear? Now, next is our last one is our optative sentences. Here exclamatory completed. Now, what is this? Fifth one is optative sentences. Sentences which show a strong expression of a choice, a prayer, a boon, wish, a curse is called optative sentences. Clear? So this is the meaning of optative sentences. Sentences which show a strong expression of a choice, a prayer, a boon, a wish, a curse is called a optative sentences. I think everyone understands this optative sentences meaning. Like example, God be with you. So this is called optative sentence. God be with you. May God help you. May God help you. So these are called, means हम किसी को दुआ दे रहे हैं, हम किसी को कर्स मीन्स बददुआ देना, गलत बोलना किसी के लिए. ओके, हम किसी के लिए प्रेयर कर रहे हैं. व्हेन वी डू समथिंग गुड, ओके, व्हेन वी डू गुड प्रेयर मीन्स विश, व्हेन वी डू विश फॉर समवन, when we do prayer for someone, when we give curse for someone. So these are come in optative sentences. These are come in kinds of optative sentences, or these are the example of optative sentences. Clear? In this also you write down one point. In optative sentence also you write down one point, main important point. An exclamatory mark placed at the end of optative sentence. Okay, in optative sentence also we end our sentence with the exclamatory mark. So remember this thing. Okay, now write down some questions. okay, that you solve in your notebook self. Means you all identify and write sentence. Now put the correct punctuation mark also. Put the correct punctuation mark put the correct punctuation mark and identify sentence. Clear? So come here this minute. May you live happily ever. Go away at once. You all identify kinds of sentence. First of all, you all make put punctuation mark and after write kind of sentences, means which kind of sentence it is. Okay. Ouch, that hurt. Can you help me? Where is my box? What a beautiful garden it is. The girls stayed at home. The girls stayed at home. Will you be at school? I think some sentences you don't see properly, so I write again upside. What a beautiful garden it is. The girls stayed at home. And ninth is, will you be at school? So, will you be at school? And 10th one is, one more you write down. Quick, quick, she is coming. So now, these are the sentence. First of all, you put punctuation mark and then you all identify these sentences carefully, okay, in proper manner. So, your today's class is over here, means sentence chapter is overall completed. In next class, we will discuss next chapter. So, from today, now today our sentence chapter is all completed. Now, in next class, we will discuss exercise also, means I give you exercise, you exercise on WhatsApp group, okay, and listen carefully. I request you all, please send your worksheet on proper time. If you don't send in proper time, I will not check your worksheet. So please don't complain me and don't call me again and again that why you not check my worksheet. I mentioned time also, date also. So on proper time you send your worksheet. Now today your sentence class is over. Thank you and have a nice day.